This 4th of July, get your red, white, and blue on with Brow Bar by Reema. Let's get started. With your foundation, concealer, and powder on, we are going to start with the brows using the Brow Makeover Kit. I take the angled brush and apply the powder, and then I'm going to go underneath with the Brow Lift as a concealer to clean up under the brow. Next, you'll take the included brow mascara and comb through the brow hairs to lock them in place and have them going in the right direction. I'm using an angled brush and the blue gel liner and starting with a pretty long, thin wing. And then next, I'm taking the Sapphire Siren face kit and packing on this blue powder and then blending it in. I'm completing the eye makeup with the matte black shadow and then the shimmery dark shadow and blending all of those together and a nice crisp point at the end. I add just a touch of the matte black under the eye and then apply some star rhinestones on top with my favorite Brow Bar by Reema lashes. Next, I'm rounding out my face color with the contour blush and Heartbreaker highlight palette by mixing two shades together and giving a gorgeous glow, and then also applying a little bit on the inner corner of the eye. I finish with a gorgeous lip, and then our 4th of July makeup is complete.